Thanks for inquiry. 2011 Holden Commodore Omega Series 2. It's white color and it's around 193,000 Ks. Looks quite good. Just only a few stone chips in the front. Just get rust touch around there, as you see here. Factory rims. You see on the side. The roof is no any paint freak. It's very cool, good condition. The side and the rear. Just only a few mark at the back. And we can do the brush touch around here. It's included with the tow bar in there. It's a SIDI engine. It's a 3 liters 6-cylinder. Right, let's go to interior. There's quite big screen inside there. With Bluetooth stereo and AUX and USB. FM AM radio station there. Climate control with the dual zone climate control and 6-speed semi-auto. Full power window. Interior seat is excellent. No any tears. No any crack on there. Just one common problem in the interior is the trim of the size, driver size. This is a common problem of the VE Commodore, but we can fix this one for you as well. I go to back seat. There's a rear conditioning here, better for the summer. And the back seat is excellent. You can see that at the back is no any crack and no any tears at the back. You see on this side, it's very excellent condition. There's no any dent or no any scratch on the side. Thank you again for inquiry for the Holden Commodore. Thank you.